Alright, so I'm up at the Olson Observation Tower here in West Virginia. And I'm like part of the way up. I'll show you down there. Maybe get the BRZ in the picture if I can. Helen's down there. I'm stopping right here because it's a little sketchy. That's the rest of the way up, and Helen already bailed out down there, and I got up to about here, and I was like, yeah, this is pretty good. I think I'm gonna chill here and look out and then get down. It's cool, but like, man, it is tall. I'm gonna be real, and it's windy up here, so yeah.